Let me just start by saying this DIY project is going to require some friends. But nothing wrong with that. With 3 or 4 people, I'd call this a 6 on the difficulty scale. It is worth giving a shot. These beams give a ton of appeal in both flat and angled ceilings. And of course, as we love, you get plenty of options for the type of wood you use and all the color options in the rainbow. So you'll really be able to customize this to fit your space. Think you want to give it a shot? Grab the link in the description to see what it'll take. Make sure to post your finished product in the comments to inspire and motivate the rest of us. Thank you for watching this Top 30 Countdown. Feel free to check out our other playlists where you might find other inspiring lists like our Top 30 Home Maintenance Tips or OCD Garage Organizations or Master Bathroom Retreats and much more. We'll see you soon.